Hello everybody, welcome to the Infinite Cup. My name is Robert. In this video, we're going to talk about the power of the subconscious mind and how to channel that energy to create a reality that you love, okay? So, if you're new here, again, my name is Robert. This is the Infinite Cup. We are here to expand your cup. Infinite consciousness, lifestyle, diet, health, it's all here. So if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell notification as well so you don't miss a thing. Okay, let's get into this, guys, all right? I hear a lot, in the new age and everything about the power of the subconscious mind. Really, this is important to understand how your subconscious mind is really dominating your reality, and you need to channel the energy here into the frontal cortex, and that's how we're gonna get a reality that we love, okay? A lot of complaining, a lot of that victim consciousness comes from the back of the brain, okay? The Holy Trinity comes up over and over again with everything, okay? If you're into numerology, you'll really like this. So, power of the brain, right? We have the subconscious mind. That is the most predominant thing because we're having reoccurring thoughts all the time. We're not taking the time to absorb new energy, whether that's reading a new book, listening to a new genre of music, or perhaps talking to a friend or a stranger, that someone you've never met before even, and circulate some new energy into your life so you can get into the frontal cortex here. New experiences, okay? That's how we're hardwired. We all want new things, whether it's food, right? Think about all the big, corporations out there that work so hard and spend billions of dollars on how to manipulate our brains and our taste buds and wire them together to get our money, right? It's the same exact thing. We need to take control of that power, use that subconscious brain and that power into our reality, all right? So here's how you do that, okay? This is very simple. Mantras. The ancient yogis use mantras. We're going to call those same things affirmations, meaning you use beads if you like. If you're not comfortable with that, then you don't have to use beads. You can use your fingers. Anything that works for you so you can repeat a phrase and develop that single point focus, okay? That's what yoga and meditation is all about. So you have that single pointed focus. If it's really, really helpful, you can use a visualization technique and really empower yourself by consciously using that energy in the frontal cortex and create what you want in your reality, all right? So you can do this. Use an affirmation, right? I'm going to give you a perfect example of how this helped my life. Literally, it saved my life several times, all right? In the past, I had a lot of anxiety. I have a lot of natural energy. I've learned to channel that energy, okay? I had a very bad panic attack growing up. I was probably 18 years old, and wow, I'll tell you what, I could just feel myself projecting out of the chair. I was just getting into meditation, just getting into mantras and affirmation, learning about yoga, and I developed this ability to just control myself, okay? It's what I call the override mechanism. You can override that anxiety, those beliefs from the back of the brain that just constantly want to pull you down. You can override that by coming into the frontal cortex and just labeling everything around you. Right now, I'm in this beautiful backyard. I hear noises, I hear birds, the wind, there's a little bit of road traffic down the way, and by doing that, that immediately brings you into the moment. And once you're there, you can continue to bring and develop more energy into the frontal cortex. That's going to get you out of that fear, more into that love, more into that compassion. Think about what you love. Bring in that energy, okay? So, affirmations, right? Affirmations, again, that really saved my life, okay? The specific affirmation that I used in that story with that previous panic attack was, I am confident, I am cool, and I am in control. And I literally just repeated that over and over again. I am cool, I am confident, and I am in control. I am cool, I am confident, and I am in control. I am cool, I am confident, and I am in control. Over and over again, and that brought me right back into the moment. So you have the power to do this. We all have the power within us. Use these techniques. Get out of the subconscious. Open up your reality. Get into the frontal cortex. Use these abilities. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Click subscribe below, and I'll check you later. Blessings.